Rose water has been used for thousands of years as a skin care ingredient and nutrient-rich botanical, and it's particularly effective as a facial toner. The benefits of rose water include:
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. Please like, share, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comments section.
10 benefits of rose water for your skin. 1. It balances skin's natural oils. Rose water is known for its ability to clarify and balance your skin, leading to a refreshed, revitalized appearance. 2. It can help reduce the look of temporary redness. Should some redness flare up on your skin, rose water can actually lessen its appearance, and any accompanying discomfort. It's a great way to cool and calm your skin. 3. It helps to naturally hydrate. Moisture is key for youthful, glowing skin, and rose water is a natural hydrator. It gives your skin an instant, refreshing boost and provides rejuvenating moisture. 4. It has antioxidant properties that nourish and protect the skin. Used since the 7th century for a variety of purposes, rose water is rich in antioxidants which provide the nutrients your skin needs. 5. It smells like roses. Who doesn't love the sweet, subtle fragrance of a rose? And on your skin, no less. Rose water has the advantage over many other botanicals for its lovely scent. 6. It can help prevent fine lines and wrinkles and diminish the look of existing ones. Rose water is known for its ability to help people defy age. It can temporarily plump fine lines and even help to prevent new ones from forming. 7. It can help to unclog pores and create a smoother-looking appearance. When your pores get clogged up with everyday residue and toxins, rose water can help to decongest them and clean impurities for a fresh, bright complexion. 8. It minimizes the appearance of large pores. Speaking of pores, rose water can actually help to diminish the appearance of those pesky large ones. It has cleansing properties that both clarify and balance. 9. It can temporarily tighten skin. Thanks to its toning properties, rose water can temporarily tighten the look of your skin, giving you a firm, plump look. Baby smooth. 10. It provides a clean base for nutrients. Rose water can help to remove impurities and set your skin up for success. It cleanses and leaves skin looking luminous, making it an excellent addition to your natural skin care routine. How to use rose water. While rose water can be used in an array of different ways, some people drink the pure version. It's best utilized to care for the skin on your face and neck, typically in the form of a toner to set the stage for your other products. Here's how best to use rose water for skin. 1. Cleanse your skin with a natural face wash. 2. Apply the rose water toner to your face and neck. It can come in a spray bottle or you can apply with a cloth or cotton pad. 3. Apply any other serums or treatments. 4. Apply moisturizer. 5. Apply sunscreen, in the a.m. People also drink pure rose water to help reduce redness and other skin issues and provide a boost of nourishing antioxidants. It can also be used for cooking as it adds a subtle rose flavor to dishes. What skin type is rose water good for? It's good for all skin types. There are 4 different standard skin types, each with its own unique needs. Here's a breakdown of how rose water toner works for each. For sensitive skin, rose water is known for being gentle, so it's beneficial for sensitive skin that may have issues with other ingredients. It's also soothing and nourishing, so it has a lot of properties that make sense for sensitive skin. For oily skin, because rose water balances skin's natural oils and works wonders as a toner, it's a great fit for oily skin. For dry skin, rose water is a natural hydrator, providing moisture where skin needs it most. It's perfect for dry skin as it can offer a nourishing boost. For combination skin, like oily and dry skin, rose water benefits are clear with combination skin. It balances the natural oils and helps to hydrate any dry areas, keeping combination skin in check. What to look for in a rosewater spray. When it comes to a rosewater toner, the key ingredient is natural. Rosewater is so effective on its own thanks to the power of natural botanicals, it doesn't need a lot of unnecessary ingredients cluttering it up. When checking rosewater toner labels, make sure it doesn't have any artificial fragrances, color dyes, alcohol or other unrecognizable ingredients. If it does have anything additional, make sure they're botanically based and have positive benefits for your skin. Frequently asked questions about rosewater. What does rosewater do for your face? Rosewater for skin is known for its ability to balance natural oils, reduce the appearance of temporary redness, hydrate your skin naturally, provide antioxidant protection, diminish the look of fine lines and wrinkles, create a smoother looking appearance, minimize the appearance of large pores, temporarily tighten skin and provide a clean base for your other products and vital nutrients. What is rosewater best for? Rosewater is best used as a skin care ingredient for your face and neck in order to reap the benefits mentioned above. Is rosewater safe? Yes. Pure rosewater is just distilled rose petals. But be sure and check the label of any products to make sure there aren't any unnecessary ingredients or toxins lurking. Is rosewater safe when pregnant? Yes. Pure rose water is a natural ingredient and perfectly safe during pregnancy. Just watch out for any added ingredients. We still recommend checking with your doctor for any questions related to pregnancy. Is rose water good as a toner? Yes. Rosewater toner is a highly effective natural toner that offers an array of benefits including hydration, balancing natural oils, temporarily tightening pores, and offering a refreshing, soothing scent. Can you drink rose water? Some rose water is drinkable, and people use it for various purposes. However, only pure rose water, rose petals and water, is okay to drink. Many skin care products contain additional ingredients and are not appropriate for consumption. Always check the labels. Which is best, rosewater versus witch hazel? Both rosewater and witch hazel are commonly used ingredients in toner. Rosewater is a more gentle option, good for all skin types. Witch hazel tends to be a little more drying, and is better for oily skin. If you're still watching, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and leave a comment. Feel free to ask questions.